I believe that all of you should pass through the CYM Amenity Center for our Common Core courses and experience how crowded it is when we're swapping our lectures on Wednesday. You can see that the staircase is not user-friendly because of the C-shaped design and result in the crowdedness and no pedestrian flow when we're swapping our lectures on Wednesday. Or you may not use the elevator before, but the L-shaped design is inconvenient for the wheelchair users to rotate. So our group makes some changes in the whole building, even the arch-shaped design to make it become more user-friendly. This is the new design for the CYM Amenity Centers, and you can see that there is the new green flat rooftop, the double helix structures there, and the zip line. We changed the structure of the stair from C-shape to a double helix structure, which the two stairs from the opposite direction in the helix structure eventually go to the same floor. And it is a kind of biomimicry from DNA. This structure allows more students to use the stair at one time and improve the pedestrian flow on Wednesday. We also use the kinetic architecture in our design. The rotated elevator. It is connected with the double helix structure stair. It can be rotated to different positions according to different floors, and the connection is space-saving, and the rotation of it is much more user-friendly instead of the original L-shaped one. Finally, as shown in the video, we want to add a zip line in the new CYM Amenity Center. It slides down from the top of the building to the lily pad. This is the design for the zip line used in the CYM Amenity Center. Piezoelectric materials are used for the zip line, so when the student reaches the middle of the zip line, it can generate a voltage for the signal to notify another student to slide down and prevent crushing. We hope that these changes can bring convenience to students and prevent the crowdedness on Wednesday again. Thank you for your watching.